In this video, we're going to talk about your iron. Now, the first thing that I want to remind you is anytime you're getting ready to use your iron, that you get permission to iron first. Irons can be dangerous. They can burn you if you accidentally touch the metal surface. They're also dangerous if you forget to shut them off, and most likely, if you drop it on the floor, it will break. Now, I do suggest using a steam iron for this class. For a steam iron, you'll usually have an opening that you put water into. The water heats up and puts out steam. The bottom sole plate of the iron has some little openings in it, and that's where the steam comes out. I've got a button back here on the iron, and when I push it, steam comes out. The part of the iron that gets hot is this metal plate on the bottom of it. So this is the area we do not want to touch. When the steam setting is on, the steam is hot even several inches away from the iron. So you want to make sure that you never touch the bottom of the iron and that you never try to touch the steam. You can get burnt from the bottom of the iron, and you can also get what's called a steam burn, and that is getting too close to the steam. Now, I don't want you to be scared of ironing. As long as you don't touch the bottom of the iron, you're going to be absolutely fine. Each time we get ready to iron our projects, I'm going to walk you through how to do it. We're going to take our time, be very careful, and we're not going to get hurt. We're always going to touch the iron by the handle. We're going to take the iron, we're going to hold it by the handle. We're going to move it around on the fabric. Now, whenever you're done ironing, you want to take the iron, tip it up, and make sure that the hot bottom plate is facing away from you. That means that the next time you come over to iron, you'll be able to easily grab it by the handle and begin ironing. Whenever you're done using your iron, you want to turn it off and unplug it. Go and let the adult know that's supervising you that you're finished with the iron. Never put your iron away while it's still hot. And don't worry, whenever we get ready to iron the fabric in our project, we'll go over some safety again and talk about how to use the iron on your piece of fabric.